Today I want to show you a very interesting upgrade for eMate 300, which is memory module. Memory module allows you to extend the memory in your eMate and was done by Androda. I'm gonna put more details in description for the video. So what this module can do. First of all, eMate in a standard coming with 1 megabytes of DRAM and 2 megabytes of flash RAM. But if you install that module, you will get 4 megabytes of DRAM and 4 megabytes of flash RAM. And obviously this is great upgrade because Newton have a more memory. You can install more applications and storage more data on your eMate. And the second thing is that the system have a more memory to work. Additional benefit is that Newton eMate instead of working in a 16-bit mode can work now with that memory module, can work now in a 32 bits mode, which increase responsiveness of eMate, and you know, by this you have a lot of benefits. So eMate basically is a little faster, more responsive. So how to install that module? It's very easy. You just need to open your eMate on the back, so I'm gonna do this now. We need to unscrew 2 screws on the back cover to get access to the extension slot. So inside you have battery, you have ROM with the initial memory, and here is a compartment for the additional module, memory module. So I'm gonna just put the module. I'm not super safe because technically I should remove the battery before that operation, but my battery is totally dead. So I'm super convinced nothing bad will happen. So now, like you see, the module is inside. I'm gonna cover the eMate back cover. Very important thing, before you install that module and run your eMate, you must back up all data from your eMate, because after installation of this module, eMate will completely wipe out the memory, so you will lose all data. So backup is very important. Okay, so I'm gonna use, because my battery inside is dead, you will see later on kind of window with that information. I'm gonna use just power adapter to power up eMate. That process should be not super long, but usually after you press the power button, after the update, after the upgrade of the memory, eMate need to wipe out the memory, which should take about 1 minute. So let's wait for this, and soon eMate should start with the welcome screen. Let's wait a moment. This process is perfectly fine. During that process, eMate have a completely blank screen, and I hope that will run. Okay, so we have welcome screen, and now eMate should ask me to set up with the welcome screen soon. Yes, we have a welcome screen. I also get information about that battery, which I will ignore, and then basically we need to go through the setting up the process. I'm gonna do this very quickly. I'm gonna bypass some unnecessary information, but I'm gonna put information that I'm from UK. I'm gonna put here my town. I'm gonna leave the bad date at this moment and the bad time at this moment. I can set up this later. Okay, so we have a congratulations, everything is done. And the last thing to make sure that the upgrade went well is to go to the extras and pick up memory info. And like you see, the system RAM here is almost 4 megabytes, and I'm pretty sure the flash RAM is upgraded too. So both memories should be upgraded, and eMate is ready to go, so I can bring my previously done backup, or I can install all application to the fresh unit. If you have any questions about that, please leave them in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed that. Later on, I'm gonna make another video about installing web server called NPDS on eMate, because I wish to run that server on eMate, and that module I wait long for that module to have enough memory for this server to have proper space to install all modules and run the server on eMate. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.